Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add curved line of best fit in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the insert menu, select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shapes. Now we go to the line section and select the curved line. Then draw the curved line to this sheet. You want to end the curved line, double click on your mouse. We can see here the curved line we make easily. You can change the color, otherwise you can increase the width of curved line. Select the line and go to the shape format menu. Choose the shape outline, select your color. Now I make red color. Click outline option again and increase the width. Now we can see we add curved line of best fit in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.